Hey, what's family? It's your girl Serenity Rose, and we're back with another video. And as you guys can tell by the title, I'm going to be swatching my entire acrylic collection, every single color that I have, because I'm bored and I have nothing else to do. So if you want to see all the colors that I have in my collection, then just keep on watching. Oh, side note, before we move on to these swatches, don't mind my hair. Like, I straightened it, but it's so hot that it just went like, as you can see. So yeah, now let's get into these swatches. So these are all my acrylic colors that I have. I try to do them like color coordinated, but yeah, these are all my acrylics. I did swatch the clears, but I cut those out because they're just clear. So I think those are the top two all the way on the right, but I just didn't show myself swatching them. So yeah, I will see you guys in the outro. So that brings this video to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me swatch every single color of acrylic that I have. If you did, drop a thumbs up, comment down below what you guys thought, any of your favorite colors, if you have them, any suggestions that I should try, leave it down below. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go. I'd love to have you join the Rose family. And I hope you guys are having an amazing day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.